Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export a portion of video in Final Cut Pro X. Okay, here's our timeline and we want to select a certain section of the video to export. So how do we do that? There's two ways that I know of. What you can do is go to this tool menu and go to range, or you can press R on the keyboard. What you need to do is click a point which you want to start the export from and you drag this. So the yellow bars cover the area you want to select. Okay, so you export it like normal. You can do Command D. You can export that like that. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. So to deselect the range tool, you can just go to press A to go back into the normal cursor mode and click the timeline again. There's another way, possibly easier, which I think I prefer, is using in and out points. So you select the beginning of where you want to select and press I, and then you can just drag your yellow bars to the section that you want to select, basically. So you want to export 20 seconds there. This is the 43 seconds. That is 20 seconds. So then we go to export again, share export file. I can do Control E. And here we get the menu again, and it's saying in here 20 seconds, as we just seen, and it's going to export to these settings, that selection that we selected. And all you have to do is export like normal. If you're not sure how to export, you want to see the full export process, you can check the last video I've got that on the channel and just look in the previous video on that one. But this is how you export a portion of the video in Final Cut Pro X. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope to help you, and please subscribe.